Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Channel. I am Emily.
And I am Paul. Hello, friends. How are you today?
I am very good, thank you. And you, Paul?
I'm good too. Thank you for asking.
Today, we will talk about reading, writing, and drawing in English.
Yes, these are very useful skills for learning English.
And we will use simple sentences so everyone can understand.
First, let's talk about reading.
Reading is when you look at words and understand them.
For example, I read a book every morning.
Or, I read a story at 7 p.m.
What do you like to read, Emily?
I like to read short stories.
I like reading comics. They are fun.
You can ask your friends, do you like reading?
Let's repeat, do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
No, I do not like reading.
Now, let's talk about writing.
Writing is when you use a pen or a keyboard to make words.
For example, I write a letter to my friend.
Or, I write in my notebook every day.
You can also ask, do you like writing?
Let's repeat slowly. Do you like writing?
Yes, I like writing.
No, I do not like writing. Yesterday, I wrote a short note to my teacher.
That is good. You can say the time too. I wrote a note yesterday at 5 p.m. Now, let's talk about drawing.
Drawing is when you make pictures with a pen, pencil, or brush.
For example, I draw a house.
Or, I draw a tree in my notebook.
You can ask, do you like drawing?
Let's repeat. Do you like drawing?
Yes, I like drawing.
No, I do not like drawing.
This morning, I drew a cat at 8 a.m.
And I drew a car on my paper yesterday.
You see, friends? You can talk about reading, writing, and drawing with simple sentences.
Let's repeat the important words.
Read, write, draw, book, letter, notebook, picture.
And important verbs like, read, write, draw.
Use them every day in your sentences.
Friends, try to write one sentence about reading, writing, or drawing.
Yes, write it in the comments. We want to read your sentences.
Thank you for listening to Mr. English Channel.
Yes, thank you. We hope you enjoyed learning English with us.
Don't forget, subscribe, like, and share.
And here is your practice question.
Say this sentence, I draw a blank. Fill the blank with any object.
Great. See you next time.
Bye-bye, friends.
Bye.